In today's video, I'll teach you how to add this PC icon to desktop on Windows 11. Right now I'm using Windows 10, but the process is same. So what you have to do is simply right click on your mouse. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for personalize and click on it. Now you'll be able to personalize your PC. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is look at left. You'll be able to find the options like background, colors, lock screen, themes, etc. Click on this option, themes, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to adjust the settings of the themes. Over here you can see various options. Look at right. Under the section for related settings, you'll be able to find this option for desktop icon settings. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here this kind of windows will be opened. You'll be able to find this section for desktop icons over here. So what you have to do is simply check on this box computer. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option apply that you can see on the screen. Now after you apply it, you can see over here this PC icon will be added to the desktop. So that is how you add this PC icon to desktop on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.